In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube Shorts on your WordPress site using 3 simple methods. By the end, you'll be able to showcase short vertical videos on any post or page without fuss or custom coding. Let's start with the quickest option, modifying the YouTube Shorts URL. First, copy the URL of the short. It usually looks like https://www.youtube.com/shorts video ID. Now, change the word shorts to watch VCs. Your link should read www.youtube.com watch v video ID. Paste that modified link directly into your WordPress post or page editor exactly where you want the video to appear. WordPress will auto-detect it and embed it as a regular YouTube video. This approach makes shorts behave like standard YouTube embeds, which often works more smoothly with page builders and themes. If your link includes extra characters after the video ID, removing them can help avoid formatting hiccups. If you want more control over the exact embed, use the iframe code from YouTube, open the Shorts video, click Share, then choose Embed. Copy the iframe code that YouTube provides. In your WordPress editor, add a custom HTML block and paste the iframe code into that block. This displays the short exactly as YouTube intends. It's a great choice if you want precise control over what's embedded. You can adjust the size within the editor to make sure it fits your layout and preview the post to confirm everything looks right. For a more customizable approach without touching code, a plugin can do the heavy lifting. Install a plugin that supports YouTube embeds, such as Elements Kit or another dedicated YouTube embed tool. Most of these plugins include a video widget or shortcode. Drop the widget onto your page or paste the shortcode, then simply paste the video URL. Plugins often include handy options like setting width and height, enabling autoplay or loop, and fine-tuning the player's appearance to match your site's design. A few final tips to keep everything tidy. The modified URL method is the most compatible with WordPress and common page builders, and it's great for speed. Whichever method you choose, make sure the video's size fits your layout so it looks clean on desktop and mobile. Preview your post before publishing to confirm spacing and alignment, and keep your content accessible by adding a short description or caption if your theme supports it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.